Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY and Card Making Monday with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Today I am going to show you this card trio kit called Be Happy. You'll see here I have two of them. They are actually on sale, 50% off. So for $3 you get one of these kits that makes 3 cards, plus it has some bonus items. So what I decided to do is get 2 of the kits, and I'm going to make the first kit how it's shown in the pictures, and then the second kit I'm going to make using the bonus embellishments, so you can see how you can get 6 different cards if you purchase 2 of these packages. And like I said, they are $3 right now instead of $6. I will put the link in the comments. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your embellishments, and you can see on the back they are marked with numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then various letters depending on when you will place them down on your card. You also get with this trio set 3 blank white cards and 3 white envelopes. So once we get our embellishments all sorted by which card they go with, we will then start with card number 1. And here I'm showing you some of the bonus items that you get. Those 3 we will use, and then these stickers are kind of some extra fun. So card number 1 looks like this. It has a piece in the middle that says thank you. So just following the directions on the little direction sheet there, we're going to start with 1A, and this is usually a large sheet that is going to cover the entire front of the card. You'll see here that I'm just using a tape runner adhesive. This is one that I purchased at Hobby Lobby that you can also get refills for. You'll also see me in this video using some wet glue. I like the Art Glitter Glue. 1B is these 3 straight pieces that are going to go across the front of your card. You can use tape runner for this, you can use glue, whichever is easier for you. Next, we'll move on to piece C, which is going to be our sentiment that we're going to put down in the middle of the card. The one that is shown on the directions says, "Thank you for being a blessing in my life." Great card that you can use pretty much for anyone. Then there is a little wavy frame that's going to go over it. I'm just going to go ahead and use wet glue for this because it is a little narrow in some of the places. And then you're going to center that over the sentiment. To finish off this card, once you get that glued down all the way, you've got a couple more little embellishments. This outline flower bouquet, I will use the glue on that as well. And then a small little heart to go at the bottom of the flowers. And there's card number 1 made as shown on the directions. Now let's move on to card number 2. Pretty much the same steps. You're going to start with a large piece that's going to go on the front of your card, and then add the embellishments in alphabetical order using either the tape runner or the glue. And here is card number 2 made according to the directions. Moving on to number 3, this one on the directions says Happy Mother's Day. So I'm going to show you, once we finish this one, we'll go through all 3 cards again using the bonus embellishments, and I'll show you how you can make it say something different if you don't want it to say Happy Mother's Day. So again, we're going to put our background piece on. This one has a really pretty like lattice. It does have the 3B down in the corner, so make sure you put glue on that side. And I'm just putting glue kind of around the edges and then maybe on a few lines in the center. And then you're going to center this on top of your card. And here is card number 3 made according to the directions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with my second set, and instead of using this one that came with, I'm going to use this piece on the cover that came in the bonus embellishments. So there's card number 1 using the bonus embellishments, and you can see the 2 different cards you can make depending on if you use it exactly how the directions say or using the bonus embellishments. So here, let's make this card number 2, which says Mom on the front. We're going to actually use one of these bonus embellishments, and we're just going to place it right over where it says Mom in the middle. So here's where, instead of having it say Mom, we'll use this bonus embellishment, and we're just going to adhere that right over the top. It says For You, and you've got some of that drawn wreath in the background, and then we'll put the rest of the pieces on just like with the original card. And here's our modified card number 2 using the bonus embellishments and the original one. Now let's do card number 3, also using one of the bonus embellishments. So instead of it saying Happy Mother's Day, we're going to use the bonus embellishment that says One of a Kind. And here's card number 3 using the bonus embellishment. Here I'm just going to show you real quick again the 2 different versions of each of the 3 cards that come in this card kit. Again, it's called Be Happy and is 50% off right now on my website, I will put it in the comments. Thanks everybody for joining me for Card Making Monday, and we'll see you next time.